It's important that we continue to maintain strong relationships with every government agency because we don't know what's around the next corner that we're going to have to keep our eye on.
We certainly work hard in positioning ourselves both with members of the General Assembly, the legislative leadership, constitutional officers, and the regulatory agency heads on the importance of the CPA credential and what we can do to help them through the professional expertise of our members.
Our work with the Department of Financial and Professional Regulation extends well beyond the licensing process. We advocate for issues that impact the CPA profession, like individual mobility and non-verifiable CPE.
We work closely with the Illinois Department of Employment Security. We've identified issues relating to monthly wage uploading reporting and unemployment insurance rates for certain categories of employers.
It could be the Office of the Comptroller, the Department of Revenue, the General Assembly, or even the Governor's Office. Virtually every government agency impacts the CPA profession and could benefit from a CPA's insights.
The Society is an organization that we at the department have great confidence and trust in. They are very honest and open and direct with us. They provide us very accurate information and very forthright feedback when they see something that we should maybe be tweaking a little bit or be heading in a direction that will put us more in line with national trends and cutting-edge standards.
There's so much to monitor and inform decision makers about, from a borderless economy to tax issues, from an efficient and effective regulatory environment to ultimately protecting the public good.
We're constantly working to enhance our connections and influence with state and local officials. We do this through our chapter legislative events by matching up our members with members of Congress and members of the Illinois General Assembly. We also work with state cabinet level agencies by working with them to enhance financial and audit reporting.
And our grassroots legislative contact program provides great efforts for state and federal issues.
You never know what issue is going to pop up. On a day-to-day basis, I could be in a public official's office working on a public policy issue that impacts the CPA profession.
And it's critical they trust us when they need to understand a piece of legislation or possible regulatory change.
I rely heavily upon the CPA Society, not only to provide technical support and technical data expertise to the community, or to the committee as well as myself, but I rely on creative solutions and good insight into what's going right, what's going wrong, and what needs to be done. And then finally, of course, in terms of the relationship that the Revenue Committee has with the CPA Society, we know when the Society comes to testify, so that everyone's going to be prepared, it's going to be to the point, and it's going to be useful, helpful, accurate information, which is invaluable to the democratic process.